Morning students, in our previous video we have discussed about addition of algebraic expression, and today we will discuss about the subtraction, and we will learn how to subtract two algebraic expression. So let's start this one. I'm going to explain with the help of question number 3 of exercise 6.2. So question number 3, they have given subtract. The first is 10xy from minus 14xy. Now student, pay attention. Whenever we are going to subtract, first of all we have to observe the word given from, because after from whatever the digit is given, whenever we are doing subtraction, that digit we write first, and then after we write the minus sign, and then after we are writing the second one. So how to write in the form of equation? First we observe the from word is here, and after from minus 14xy is given. Okay, we have written this one, and what we are doing here students? Subtraction. So what sign we will write here? Minus. And then after our first term we will write here 10xy. Now we have written these subtractions in the form of horizontal way. Okay, now then after solve, we observe xy and xy both are like terms, and students, whenever the like terms are given, we will solve their numerical coefficient only. Here numerical coefficient is 14 and 10, and both having the same sign minus. Whenever the terms are given with the same sign, then we will add them. So 14 and 10, 24, but the sign will come minus. So here the answer is minus 24xy. Okay students. Now then after the next one is, I'm going to take another example. It's third part. In third part they have given minus 5x cube y. We have to subtract this one from minus 10x cube y. So students, same thing. First of all you observe this word from. Whatever the term given after from, we will write that one first, minus x cube y. What we are doing here? Subtraction. So sign minus will come. Then after write the first one digit. If this digit is given along with the minus sign, then we write this one in bracket. So we will write bracket minus 5x cube y. Now first of all remove the bracket. When we remove the bracket, then we solve the sign also. Minus, multiply with minus, minus minus, plus. Then 5x cube y. Minus 10x cube y plus 5x cube y. The sign are opposite. Whenever the different sign is given, we will take their difference. So 10 minus 5, 5. And sign will come whose term is bigger. So here 10 is bigger. So minus sign will come. And here we will write minus 5x cube y. Now we have solved whenever the both term are given negative term. So this is student, these are one term, monomial term is given whenever they have given a full algebraic expression, and that time we have to solve. Then how to do the subtraction? Let's see. So I'm going to explain this question with the help of question number 4 of exercise 6.2. Let's take it first part. X square minus xy plus y square. Then the second term is minus x square minus 2xy, then after plus y square. This is the second term. So before solve the question, you have to read the statement, the heading of the question carefully. In this question they have given subtract the first term from second. So that's why we will write the second term first. So write in column this question, because this is given in form of algebraic expression. So we will write this algebraic expression in the form of column. So first write this term minus x square minus 2xy, then plus y square. Okay student. Now then according to the like term, we have to write the terms below of it. So here is x square. We have written x square minus xy. Okay. Then after plus y square. Now what we are doing here? Subtraction. So in addition, when we are doing the addition of algebraic expression and subtraction of algebraic expression, there is a one difference. what is the difference? Whenever we are going to do add these one algebraic expression, simply we solve. But student, whenever we are going to do a subtraction, then first of all we have to change the sign of second term. So this is plus. This, whenever any sign is not given, we assume that term is positive term, and we have to write it opposite sign. Positive opposite is negative, and negative opposite is positive. So the plus convert in minus, minus convert in plus, same plus convert in minus. After change the sign, the second sign, whatever we have changed, that we treat as a sign of terms. So now this term is minus x square, this one plus xy, and this one minus y square. Forget about this sign, okay? Because we have changed. Why we changed? Because when we subtract, here you observe, when we subtract, it changes the sign of all terms. So same thing here, because we are doing here subtraction, so we change the sign of all the subtract. So plus 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1xy, and sign will come minus y because the minus term is bigger. Same, minus minus plus, 1 plus 1, 2. So here we will write 2x square. From here we get the solution, minus 2x square and minus xy. No need to write this 0. Okay, now we get the solution. Let's take one more part from the same question, question number 4, to make you more clear regarding this subtraction of algebraic expression whenever they have given more than 2 terms. Okay, let's take its third part. In third part they have given 4p cube plus 3p square minus 2p, and then after 6p cube minus 4p. Same, the first algebraic expression subtract from the second one. So how to arrange? First we write the second one, 6p cube minus 4p. Now then after arrange the like terms below this one. 4p cube, okay, we have written 4p cube, 3p square, but here is p square is not there, so we will write it separately, 3p square, because there is no p square in first term, so we will write it separately. Then minus 2p, now we have written minus 2p. Same, we are going to do the subtraction. So first step, what we will do here? Yes, we change sign. So here 4p square is positive, then convert in negative. This negative sign convert in positive. This positive sign convert in negative. Here is not a single term. So this minus 3p square we will write as it is. 4 is negative number and 2 is positive number. So 4 minus 2, 2p. Sign will come minus. Why? Because minus 4 is bigger than 2. Same here, 6 is positive number but 4 is negative. So 6 minus 4, 2. And here we will write 2p cube. Now student, we have solved this one. We have written 2p cube minus 2p and minus 3p square. Student, we can arrange this one in the form of ascending order also to write our answer. 2p cube minus 3p square, then minus 2p. Okay students, now in this way we have done the subtraction of algebraic expression. So the rest part of question number 3 and 4 you have to do in your math register. Okay students, thank you.